What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the money class. And of course, we're talking about money. In this video, I'm going to talk about the value of Credit Karma and whether or not Credit Karma's credit scores are accurate, because a lot of people think that Credit Karma's credit scores are not accurate. So I'm going to clear all this stuff up in the next few minutes. So here we go. First of all, what's Credit Karma? Credit Karma is a free credit monitoring service. Okay, that's all it is. It's a monitoring service. Some of the features that are provided for free are letting you know if there's been any type of like really unusual activity on an account, like if you had a really huge transaction on a card where you normally don't have huge transactions, or if you've had a card that's been dormant for several months and now all of a sudden you've used it, or if you're using free credit freeze services and someone tries to access your credit file, it lets you know that they blocked it. So those are some of the features that it offers, that are all for free, and to me provide a great value. Another feature that it provides is it gives you your credit score for TransUnion and Equifax. And a lot of people think that Credit Karma's credit scores are inaccurate because they'll say, well, my score is 640 on Credit Karma, but it's only 582 on Experian. And they'll say, well, hey, Experian scores are real, Credit Karma credit scores are not. But here's the actual deal. Credit Karma uses a different calculation system, and it's a valid scoring model called Vantage. Vantage is used by approximately 15% or so of lenders, so it does have some usage out in the world of card issuers and institutions that provide you with credit. Experian, on the other hand, uses FICO. So we're going to just take a real quick look at the two different scoring models. First, here's the FICO scoring model that Experian is using. 35% of your score is your payment history. This is the most important part. 30% of your score is amounts owed or credit utilization. So over 2/3 of the score, or approximately 2/3 of the score, 65%, comes from just two areas: payment history and credit utilization or amounts owed. Moving forward, 15% of the score is the length of the credit history. 10% is the credit mix you have of installment and revolving credit. And then the last 10% is pursuit of new credit, or how many inquiries have you incurred in the past 2 years? Because generally, unless you dispute them off, inquiries stay on your credit for 2 years. Credit Karma, on the other hand, uses Vantage 3.0. So Vantage has several different scoring models, just like FICO has several different scoring models that Experian uses. But this is the 3.0 system. And now I'm going to pull up the Vantage scoring model. 40% of the score is going to be the payment history. 21% is the age and type of credit. 20% is credit utilization. The balances are 11%. Recent credit is 5%. And then available credit is 3%. So that is the reason why the scores are different. It's not that Credit Karma scores are inaccurate. It's not that Experian scores are accurate and Credit Karma scores are fake. Both scores are accurate. They just use different scoring models. Going a little bit deeper, if your score is 60 and 70 points difference between TransUnion on Credit Karma and your Experian score, that could be because there is something reporting on the TransUnion that's negative that may not be reporting on Experian, because all creditors don't report you to all three bureaus. For instance, currently my Credit Karma score using Vantage with TransUnion is only 10 points difference from the score that I have with TransUnion using FICO. Because the scoring models are similar, there's just some slight nuances, so that makes your score a little different between the two. But there it is, guys. That is the difference between the Credit Karma scoring and the scoring with FICO through Experian. So the scores are accurate. To me, Credit Karma is still a valuable service. It's free. I use it. I don't use it for everything. I don't use the special offers they give trying to get you to sign up for different cards. It's just like a glorified affiliate marketing. But I do see value in the service. And now you know that it is not inaccurate scores. It's just a different scoring model. All right. That's it for this class, guys. Until next time, class is dismissed.